My today's topic is cell cycle and cell division of class +1. What do you mean by cell? As you all know, cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Basic unit means if anyone is living, so the base for the living is cell. It provides structure to living organism, all the living organism. It provides function to all the living organism. In the cell, many cell organelles are present, and in this chapter we will study about cell cycle. Cell cycle means it is repeated again and again. As we move in the cycle, as we ride a bicycle, its wheels rotate and return to its original position. So cell cycle is repeated again and again. Cell cycle, in the cell cycle there are many sequence of event that are repeating again and again. What are these events and why these events are to be repeated? These events are to be repeated for the cell division. These events are cell enlargement, chromosome duplication, and cell division, nuclear division, cytoplasm division, and we will study in this chapter. Events include duplication of genome of cell. Duplication means formation of copying of genome. Copying of genome. Genome means number of chromosome in the haploid set. Genome means in the haploid set. Haploid means so firstly, what do you mean by haploid and what do you mean by diploid? One organism is diploid. Diploid means if we say most of the cells of humans are diploid. Diploid means it has two set of chromosome. Di means two. It has two set of chromosome, means 46 chromosome. Haploid means 23. 46 by 2, 23 chromosome. Haploid has one set of chromosome. Diploid has two set of chromosome. So what are the event that are repeated in the cell cycle? These events are duplication of genome of cell haploid, chromosome will duplicate. If in a human cell there are 46 chromosomes, then they will duplicate during the cell cycle. They will become 46 into 2. Synthesis of other cell constituent means cell organelles, cell biomolecules, cell organelle like Golgi body. They will duplicate itself, and other cell organelle like lipid, cell biomolecules like lipid, protein, they will synthesize during the cell cycle. Division of cell to form daughter cell. So cell cycle involve cell division and growth phase, interphase. Okay. All these structure are made, all these substances like genome will duplicate, cell organelles will synthesize. These are synthesizing for the division. So this phase in which cell prepare itself for the cell division, this phase is called preparatory phase or the interphase. Inter means between two division, as one cell divide to form two new cell, and later this cell undergo interphase and These cells further undergo cell division. It means interphase is a phase between two cell division, two mitotic division. Interphase is a phase in which cell prepare itself for the next division. It means if it is a cell, before the division, this cell will enlarge in the size and it will further divide to produce two new cells. And these two cells will again undergo interphase. These will enlarge its size and these will form new organelles, and these daughter cells will further form new daughter cells. So interphase is a preparatory phase between two cell division. Cell cycle is divided into two phases: interphase and actual division or mitotic phase. Human cell divided in 24 hours. In every 24 hours, human cell, not all the human cell, only skin cell, some of the human cell will divide in 24 hours. From the cell cycle, interphase is of longest duration and actual division is of short duration. As you know, हमें युद्ध के मैदान में जाना है. We have to go in the battle. If a person is going to the field of battle, then he prepare itself firstly. He prepare itself. It take time to prepare it. He take time to prepare himself. Similarly, cell has to divide. Cell will prepare itself and cell take time for the preparing, and it will take less time for the actual division. So for the preparation, cell take in the case of human cell cycle is of 24 hours, from which 23 hours are taken by the interphase and 1 hour is taken by the M phase. This cell divide in every 90 minutes. It means that's why the population of unicellular yeast is very much high. Yeast, as you know, yeast is a unicellular fungus, and yeast is used for making bread and wine. And bacteria cell divide in every 20 minutes. So bacteria cell take less time for the cell division. So bacteria has large population. So largest population will be of bacteria, then yeast, then human. So question in the paper, in the competitive exam, can come from this point. Means if bacteria cell take less time, bacteria cell, there are 3 cell: bacteria, yeast and human. Which one have largest population? Largest population will be of bacteria cell, because bacteria cell take less time for the cell division. So next part we will discuss in the next video. This was introductory part. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and hope it will be helpful for you.